Alright guys, it's like 8:30, just getting to our first change out. One of two change outs going on today. I'll go show y'all the attic. You gotta forgive me, I'm not used to filming myself during the day. So I'm getting the guys started on this 2.5 ton straight cool electric heat air handler. This is it. Very easy change out. We can be replacing the flex, can, drain pan stands, redoing the drain line, existing plenum, reattaching the ductwork. Pretty easy, straightforward job. This is one of two. I'm gonna go check out my guys on the next one, see how they're coming. All right, back in the truck. We are headed to Cow Island, Louisiana. And is your wife actually a passenger princess if she's not studying for her real estate exam? Came check out what my dad's got going on in my farm today. He likes to piddle around over here, and he's bush hogging all the levees just to help the farmer out and get ready for, you know, pre-duck season. This is also my tractor. It's a 2021 Massey Ferguson 4710, the old farm truck, 06 LBZ, 40-foot low trail trailer, and a 15-foot modern ag bush hog. My dad brings his book sack with him, prepare for a long day of bush hogging. Y'all gonna like this. This is pretty cool. So this is my great grandmother's home. It was built in the late 70s, early 80s. It flooded for every hurricane since then, basically, except for maybe Andrew. Anyway, I'm building a new house in the next year or so, and I'm going to have a spiral staircase in it. So I talked to the new owners of the house about a week ago, and they told me if I can get it out of here, I can have the spiral staircase, and that is super exciting because this is very nostalgic to me. I used to play underneath here as a child, but the staircase was built in here, so I'm gonna have to find a way to cut it out, and it's not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be worth it. So I drained my pond by about 8 feet, and we're gonna be building a wharf on this end, and I just figured it'd be a lot easier to drain it so we can have open land to do the pilot holes. So that's gonna be coming up next week. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on that. This pond is 20 feet deep, by the way. A little truck lunch brought to you by Darian. All right, we're at Cobra Supply now. Came pick up a couple 5-ton package units for an upcoming job. Damn, it's really windy today. Anyway, came home, grabbed my little tractor, and now I'm going to drop these units off at this metal building. Darian drags me to Target, I embarrass her with my retro Oakleys.
I literally need like 2 things. You're being ultra dramatic right now.
Target. Now we're back home and trying to figure out how I'm gonna pump my pond lower. So I winched my ditch pump in there with my Ranger, but then realized that it's kind of too steep, so I can't use my tractor. And then the problem is I have too much of a slope right there, so it takes forever to get the impeller under the water. So I don't know yet. So we usually finish off the day by going to the gym, and that's where we are headed now. So a big reason me and my wife come to this little Anytime Express is because nobody comes over here. So we usually have the whole gym basically to ourselves. Done with the gym. Time to go home.